Assalamualaikum. So today we will learn what is middleware and how we can implement it in Express and Node.js. So let's first learn what is middleware. Middleware, as the name suggests, stands in the middle between the two modules, and its purpose is to process the data that is shared between the two modules. So here is an example. So here is our server and here is our client, and the middleware comes in between these two modules. And now as we have a middleware between these two, whenever a request is sent from the client, it will be first intercepted by the middleware, and then it will be moved forward to the server, and then server process the request that is pre-processed by our middleware and then send it back to the client. In most of the cases, our middleware is not a separate entity, rather it's a part of a server. So let's see an actual use case, how and where we can use a middleware. Let's take an example of authentication. Authentication is where a user sends its credentials, email and password, and server authenticates it. Take an example of a social site and our client want to post something. So before posting, whenever the request sent by the client about any post, first need to authenticate the client that the user that is requesting to post is signed in. So what happens?